Instantly elevate your Webflow designs by mastering the art of adding the perfect icons. Let's dive into the simplest method using Webflow's built-in icon library. Navigate to your Webflow designer. Select the element you want to add an icon to, and click the Add Elements panel from there. Search for icon, and drag it onto your canvas. You'll see a vast collection of icons ready to use. Simply click to browse. Select your desired icon, and it will instantly appear. You have full control over its size, color, and even how it interacts with your design. For ultimate customization, you can upload your own SVG icons first. Ensure your icon is saved as an SVG file. Then, in the Add Elements panel, find the image element, drag this onto your canvas, and in the Element Settings panel, click Choose Image and upload your SVG. Once uploaded, treat your SVG icon like any other image. Resize it, position it precisely, and even make style adjustments like color or opacity directly within Webflow. This gives you complete creative freedom. Whether you choose Webflow's extensive library or your own custom creations, adding icons is a powerful way to boost visual appeal, guide your users, and make your website truly shine.